Welcome to e-commerce store in PHP and MySQLi with Bootstrap. Friends, as you know that we are making this kind of e-commerce store totally from scratch. So it is the second video of this course. I go to my this e-commerce_store page which I made in last video. I just wrote the PHP basic structure, HTML5 basic structure. So friend, from this video, first of all, I shall go to my browser and I go to my new Google Chrome browser and I shall download the Bootstrap. So I wrote Bootstrap and I shall click over the first link, and here I click over getting started icon, and from this page I shall download Bootstrap. I click over it and I saved it in my downloads, inside the downloads. So it has been downloaded. I go to my computer, inside the computer, and I go inside the downloads, and this is the Bootstrap 3.3.7 version. So I open it with WinRR archiver. I open it and I shall extract it inside once again Amjad and inside the downloads. So I click over OK. It will be extracted and it has been extracted now. So now I close it. I open it, this version, and now I go inside the CSS folder. I click over it and I shall copy this bootstrap.min.css. I copy it and I go inside my local disk EG. Now I shall go inside the XAMPP, inside the XAMPP files, inside htdocs, and inside ecom_store, and this is a styles folder. Now I shall go inside the styles and here I paste that bootstrap.min.css file. I go back to downloads. Once again I go inside the Bootstrap folder. Now I go inside the JS and I copy bootstrap.min.js. I go back to my EG local disk. Once again, as usually, I go inside the XAMPP files, inside htdocs, and inside ecom_store, and inside the JS folder. So here I paste that copied file bootstrap.min.js. Once again I go back to downloads, inside the Bootstrap, and now I go inside the fonts. Now inside I copy the complete fonts folder. So I copy this folder. I go to my EG local disk and inside the XAMPP files, inside the htdocs, and inside the ecom_store. And here I shall paste it, that fonts folder. This is the fonts folder, the Bootstrap fonts. So all these fonts are inside it. So friend, now I go to my Notepad++ code editor. Now I shall attach that Bootstrap file. So I make the link tag first. Link href is equal to double quotes styles folder / bootstrap.min.css, because this file is inside the styles. So friend, I show you that this is the style main folder, styles, and inside this bootstrap.min.css, which I have linked it here. So here I write relation rel is equal to double quotes style sheet. So here I make one script tag right above the closing body tag for attaching the JS file, script start, script close, src is equal to double quotes JS main folder / bootstrap.min.js. So I have included this file here. I show you that this is the JS main folder and inside it bootstrap.min.js. I have attached this file with this my index.php file. So now I go to my Chrome browser and this is that page. I refresh it. You will not see any change here because I have not written anything here, otherwise those two files have been attached. So friend, now I click over new tab and here I write font awesome and I click over the first icon, font awesome. This is the font awesome website, so I shall download it. So I have clicked over it, so I will click over it. No thanks, just download font awesome. Duplicate because I had already this file, so I click over start download. Now close. I go here inside the downloads. So friend, inside the compressed, so this is the font awesome. So now I shall copy this one. First I open it in WinRR Archiver. So now I extract it. Inside the Untitled, inside the downloads. Now I click OK. Yes to all. And now I close this. This is the font awesome folder. I click over it. Now I shall copy this CSS. Inside the CSS, friend, inside the CSS, I shall copy this font awesome file. Font awesome.min.css. Now I shall copy it. Now I go to my local disk EG where the XAMPP software has been installed. So I go inside the XAMPP files, inside the htdocs, inside the ecom_store, and inside the font awesome folder. And here I make new folder on the name of CSS, and inside this CSS folder I shall paste it. Now I go back to downloads and once again go inside the compressed and inside the font awesome folder, and here now I shall click over fonts folder. I copy the complete folder and I go back to my local disk EG, and now I go inside the XAMPP files, inside the htdocs, and inside the ecom_store, and here I shall go inside the font awesome, and here I shall paste that folder. Now I go to my Notepad++, and now I shall link those files here. Link href is equal to double quotes font-awesome folder /css because CSS is folder is inside the font-awesome, and inside the CSS font-awesome.min.css. Relation is equal to double quotes style sheet. Now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh this page. You will not see any change here because I have told you that I have not written anything inside this body tag. Therefore, no change is being made here. So now I open the new tab, click over home button. Now I go to Jquery website, and I wrote jquery.com inside the Google, and this is the first link over which I will click. So I click over it. So friend, this Jquery site has been opened. So now I shall download this Jquery version 3.1.1. So I shall download. It is compressed version, compressed production Jquery 3.1.1. So I have opened it in new tab. So I shall copy it or save it as save as. You can directly download it also. So I go to my local disk EG, and as usually I go inside the XAMPP files. Inside the htdocs and inside the ecom store and inside the JS, and here I shall save it on the name of jquery.min. And this is that file which has been saved, jquery.min.js, and JS is extension which has been included automatically because it is the JS file. So now I shall include this file here. I go to my Notepad++ code editor, and once again I write the script tag right above the remaining first one script tag, script start and script close, space src is equal to double quotes js / jquery.min.js. So this is the jQuery file which has been included in this index.php file. So now I press Ctrl S to save. So now I go to my Chrome browser, and this is our page which has been opened. So I refresh this page. So friend, still you will be watching that there is no change because I have not written any code inside the body. So this video has been made enough lengthy, and I think it is enough. I shall come back in next video. So first of all, I close all these websites which were open during the creation of this video. So in next video I shall come back and I shall do the remaining work. I also make the clear all of these download 2 files. So goodbye till next video.